Carla, nagkwento ng kanyang pinagdaanan sa kanyang kalusugan at ng kanyang journey sa pagbawas ng timbang. Sa isang mahabang post sa kanyang social media account, ibinida ng magandang aktres na si Carla Abellana ang kanyang pinagdaanang karamdaman. Ayon kay Carla, ang hypothyroidism ang nagpahirap sa kanya sa nakalipas na 5 taon. Ayon pa kay Carla, dahil sa hypothyroidism, ang kanyang hormone ay palaging wala sa normal na sitwasyon at kahit nagutumin ang sarili, kasabay na regular na pag-e-exercise, patuloy pa rin ang pagdaragdag ng kanyang timbang. Paliwanag pa ni Carla na ang palabas sa pangangatawan ay lubhang mahalaga sa linya ng kanyang trabaho, kaya lubos ang kanyang paghahangad na babawasan ang timbang. Dagdag pa ni Carla, sobrang struggle at frustration ang kanyang naramdaman sa loob ng 5 taon at sa kalinga ng 5 doctors at hindi mabilang na medical test at kombinasyon ng mga gamot. Kwento pa ni Carla na kahit ang magaling na doktor na may programang nakakapagbawas ng timbang ay na-challenge sa kanyang kondisyon dahil sa loob ng 1 buwan sa programa ay hindi bumawas ang kanyang timbang. Pagbida pa ni Carla na pagkatapos pa ng 5 buwan, nagsimulang nagbawas ang kanyang timbang sa tulong ng disiplina, strict diet at mga gamot. Nagpasalamat si Carla sa mga doktor na tumulong na maabot ang target niyang timbang at sa kanyang sarili sa hindi pagsuko. Hypothyroidism has been the bane of the past 5 years of my life. My hormones were nowhere within normal range. Cortisol level was extremely high for so long. I was practically perimenopausal at 37 years of age, and despite fasting, more like starving myself already, along with regular and stringent workouts, I was still gaining weight constantly. 5 years, 5 doctors, numerous tests over the years, countless medication in all sorts of combinations, hundreds of thousands of pesos. Nothing seemed to really work long term. Unless you have hypothyroidism, you'll never know what the struggle, frustration, embarrassment, worry, and desperation is like. Most especially if weight and appearance are key factors in your line of work. October of last year, I had very little but just enough hope to once again shift doctors. I chanced upon at Roland Angeles MD online and read that he has a record almost all patients losing a certain percentage of weight in just a month. So I immediately set an appointment. I came in and really felt that I would break that record of his. I knew he would be challenged by my condition. And I was right. I was one of the very few patients he had who didn't lose weight in a month. Seeing at Roland Angeles MD diet plan for the first time made my jaw drop because of how limiting it was. No wonder most of his patients lose so much weight after just 1 month. We're only allowed to eat platito-sized meals that are about 100 grams, and not to mention all the good and healthy food we weren't allowed to eat. I wanted to cry, but my desperation was stronger. So yes, I didn't lose weight after 1 month, unlike 99.99% of his patients. For the first time, Dr. Angeles didn't have that signature bright smile on his face upon realizing mine was a special case. My hypothyroidism game was strong, and my body was stubborn. Sorry for breaking your record, Doc. Good thing you still accepted the challenge. Fast forward to 5 months, and I finally started losing weight. Yes, 5 months. It took 5 months for the ball to get rolling. But boy, was it worth all the trip to his clinic. Strict dieting, strong willpower, discipline, concoction of medication, and perseverance. Dr. Angeles' smile was back whenever I'd see him, but my smile has been much bigger. I've lost around 18 pounds in the past couple of months, and at one point, I had already reached my target weight. Kudos to at the Ivy Clinic too for the treatments that went so well with our wellness plan. Onda and I'm sure have been my best friends there. I give so much credit to the Ivy Clinic. It makes me want to cry happy tears. Thank you at Dr. Ivy and at Dr. Teo. So just like a lot of you, I also see photos of other people who are so fit and I can't help but feel insecure. I also wish weight loss would work like magic, but no, it really doesn't. There really is no shortcut. Having hypothyroidism is a pain in the butt because there is no cure for it, but there is a way. It may not be the same for all of us, but there really is a way. Mine just happens to be at Roland Angeles MD, plus at the Ivy Clinic Way. I can't thank you enough, Dr. Angeles. And pats on my back to myself too for not giving up. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.